Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, faces of a cube are marked with A, B, C, D, E and F. If three views of cube are as shown below, what will be there on the face opposite to face A? Here we can observe that in three views, E is common. So, as per the first view, F and C are adjacent to E. So, F and C are not opposite to E. Similarly, as per the second view, we can observe that D and F are adjacent to E. So, D and F are not opposite to E. And as per the third view, we can observe that D and B are adjacent to E. So, D and B are not opposite to E. So, only A is left and has to be opposite to AE. Hence, E will be there on the face opposite to face A. So our correct option is option D.